Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Security. Following that, tap on Screen Lock and select one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Now you finally get to create it. Tap on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm also at the bottom right corner. Finally, you can answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. When you're done, tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!